Lecture 24, Building a Dedicated Landing Page for Your eBook on Your Website. The landing page for your book is the key document which has all the information about your launch title in one central place. You can develop this page over several weeks and keep it private until you are ready for it to go public. Then add to the main menu and make it attractive and appealing to visitors in the few seconds you have to interest any visitor to your website. The advantage of having a dedicated book page on your website is that you can create an exclusive behind the scenes article about your book with a gallery of colourful images, additional promotional information. Some authors use SlideShare or similar software to embed the opening chapters of the book onto the page so that readers can read the opening without leaving the site. Or you can create a PDF of an extract of the opening chapters, which can be opened and downloaded again from the page. Using a teaser extract like this will add to the sense of anticipation for the launch of your ebook. Visitors will be totally intrigued and start to pick up on the energy of your launch plan. You should always have a good quality book cover image and the enticing book description for your book on the page, which you can then use for all your promotion and marketing to be consistent. But there's something else going on here. What you are doing when you create this landing page is demonstrating that, first of all, you are a professional author. Secondly, that this book is remarkable and a huge amount of research and hard work has gone into creating it, whether fiction or non-fiction. Anyone coming to this page can read the table of contents and the text of the opening chapters in the extract you give them and be instantly in tune with what you are trying to achieve and how much benefit this book will deliver to them. You can also involve the reader in the launch process and share your feelings of excitement and enthusiasm, which are bound to be contagious. But the landing page has a purpose. There's a call to action, and the call to action is that this landing page has all the buying links drafted for your book using the icon supplied by the online booksellers. You won't have the Kindle link until the book actually goes live, but you can add the icon and use your Author Central link as the placeholder until that link goes live. If you are running a self-hosted website such as WordPress.org, then there are free plugins such as Totally Booked, which supply the automatic links to the icons for you. Add the hyperlink as soon as the book goes live. And don't forget to have fun. This is your book on your website. Share your excitement and interest in the book. Why did you write it? What inspired you? This is your chance to allow the readers a peek behind the scenes of how that book was made. So enjoy it.